need a budding knife, a plastic tie or a grafting tape, a rootstock, and another rootstock with a healthy bud.
Permanent budding. To perform this budding, you will need the following. Identify activated from the plant. This is usually found the side of the system where the green-brown bark meets. Select a usually bud stick from or of the rootstock. Cut the bud stick and remove of the from the rootstock. You can convert the bud in a single layer of the rootstock into bird water and from the coming in the pursuit of temptation. You can wrap the bud with a single layer of the bud stick to avoid the water from coming in the pot with a meaning. Part of the rootstock, remove the when the bud start to peel.